All right, guys, we got Julian here. It is 11 o'clock on the nose. We've got 2017 Immaculate Soccer. Everybody's been waiting for this release. We've got a couple group breaks coming up after this. Let's rock and roll. Immaculate. Love it. All right, we will start things off with 15 of 25, Manuel Neuer, base parallel. Only the best goalie in the business right there. Remarkable jersey, Steven Gerrard, 3 Lions, England. All right, then we got Germany, Mario Götze. The standard of 49, single jersey. An acetate, Colombia. James Rodriguez, Carlos Baca, and David Ospina to 25. Triple patch, it's a cool looking card. And then we got a Carlos Sanchez to 75. Marquee signatures. Uruguay. And we've got an Ivan Perisic. 7 of 10. Nice looking patch there. And I think you're going to like this one. This is pretty darn solid. Patch autographed, 20 of 25. Barcelona, Neymar. Beauty. Great autograph, too. Awesome hit, man. I'll go ahead and tweet that one out. Appreciate it. I'll get it all packed up and out ASAP.